Hey, this is Mark Mathis with eCommerce Site Owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for eCommerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video, and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Okay, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you a little background on the different types of sale funnels. There's actually three different types of funnels, generally speaking. The first one is sales funnels, which are basically individual products or digital products, and then you lead them through an upsell process typically. There are also opt-in funnels where you're just basically collecting leads, either names or names and email addresses or phone numbers as well. And then there's ones for membership sites as well. So you can use those for paid membership sites or just central areas to save information and make it easily accessible for other people. So the first one that we'll look at, let's look at Add New. And I went through the cookbook builder process. What I typically use is this one right here. So it's very simple. You either want to collect emails, sell your product, host webinars, or you can build membership sites. So host webinar is for automated webinars as well, so that's the fourth type. Let's go through each of these. So collect emails. Let's say email example. Let's call this email funnel, and we'll call these sample. And then that just helps us to organize these, and we'll do building funnel. Anytime that you have any questions, you can watch that explainer video and I'll walk you through the process. So at this point you can see a few things have happened. So it's created an opt-in page, and it's also created a thank you page. But what you need to do is that you need to actually choose what you want to look like. I don't know why it's doing this right here. Let me just refresh the page. Okay, so I've refreshed the page, and you can see all the different templates that they offer. So the ones that you're seeing right here are ones that they offer out of the box. So they're beautiful, beautiful templates. I would just use these to start off with, or use the share funnels that I give you, just depending on what you need. So if you look down through here, there's all different colors, styles. Some are fancier than others. Some are a lot more basic. But the basic goal of all of these types is to collect an email. Okay, so you can collect any of these, or select any of these rather, and then you can actually click on it and see a preview, or you can just select it. So let's say this one right here, we'll select that one, and it changes the formatting and the layout of your page to match that style. So here it is in here, and you'll just go into edit page, and in there you can make all your changes. And so you can change colors, you can change text, you can add fields, all those types of things. You can remove sections, hide them, but it just gives you a great place to start from, and then you don't have to worry about the colors matching and it looking good. Everything's already done for you. So again, I'm going to go in depth into the page editor a little bit later in another video, but I just wanted to show you what that looked like. And so we'll exit out of this, and then we need to go into our thank you page and edit that page as well. So ideally, when you're doing pages in a funnel, you want them to have the same style. So we'll go through and try to find one that kind of looks like the matching one for that one we just saw. It was more yellow, so I think this is pretty close, so we'll select this one. And again, you don't have to have a video for this one. They just show you an example that you could use. And if we want to preview and see what that looks like, you can see that right here.
I have 2 kids, and after having my first son, I think 70 pounds.
I'll pause that. And again, you can just edit this to be whatever you'd like as well. So we'll close this out, and this is basically your email funnel. So this is a great way to collect emails. You can make it look exactly how you like it to. and it looks very professional out of the box, so you really can't beat it. And so let's go back into funnels, and we want to quickly create a new one. And for this one, we want to do a sell your product funnel. So we'll do just a sales funnel, sales funnel sample. We'll choose samples group, build funnel, and again, watch explainer video if you'd like to see a little bit more on that. And so it's basically the same thing. You have a squeeze page, which is basically an email opt-in form, a sales page, which it has an order form already built in typically, or a link at least to the order form. And so you can choose whichever template you like there. Then you have the actual order form, and there are a few different options on this that I'll go through. There's one that has the order form actually on the page as well, and you can make this the landing page where you send someone and everything is on that one page. Or you can have a more traditional order form like you can see right here with all the details and multiple columns. And you can see some of the bonus information. It all depends on exactly what you're looking for, and different things work better for different scenarios. So anyway, it built out the order form, the order confirmation, which allows you to see all the things that they built or they bought during your funnel. And then you have a thank you page as well that you could use for an offer page, where you could lead them to other products that you have, and so forth. And on this is just a template to get you started and to save you time. You can add in new pages all the time to better fit what you would like. So for example, if I wanted to add an upsell, I could just call it upsell, create funnel step, and then I would go in here, and in the sales funnels section, I would choose one-click upsell OTO, and let's just say that I want that one. And then I can move this one right after your order form. So you just drag and let's see. I don't know if I have the right page. Okay, so upsell right up after this, and then that way, after they place their order, they're taken directly to the upsell before they go to their order confirmation. The beauty with this is that we already have their contact information and their credit card on file, so it's just a one-click upsell. They just click on one button, it's automatically added to the order. There's no resistance whatsoever, and then that can allow you to maximize your revenue on that particular order. So anyway, that's the sales funnels. Next, we want to look at a webinar funnel, and you can say live webinar. This would be most applicable probably if you were selling an information product or educational product or a course. Let's go right here, build that funnel, and it creates these 3 pages right here. And again, same process, select template, and then you go in and edit that, and then webinar confirmation. You just select that, and you have the basic structure of your pages ready. You can go into any of these again and edit it, make it look exactly like you like it to. But it's just a perfect way to start out. It saves you a lot of time. You don't have to worry with design at all. And so that is the webinar template. Let's go in and do one more for a membership site. And for this one, we're going to go into the cookbook, and we'll search for membership funnel. I just did Control F to search for this, and this is one where you can collect you can have a video sales letter plus order form to sell your course or your training. An offer wall is basically a page that shows all your other products that you have. You have a membership access page where they log in or set up their account. You have a normal page, and then you have the membership page where they can get to everything. So let's just look in free, and let's just use this one right here, get funnel, and it will load everything pre-built into your into your account, so you can just go in there and change up whatever you need to. And the beauty of this again is that you can combine information and put everything in one easy to find location where your customers can go in there and access things on their own timeline. So here is your VSL, so your video sales letter, your offer wall for other products. This is after they register for your course, you can upsell them basically into other products. Membership access page where they create their account or they log into their account. So there's two different pages for that. And then your membership area, and this is what that looks like. So you can see you have different sections and different lessons within those sections. I'll go into all this later on, but this is the login URL that you send to people to log in. This is the sign up URL, and then you can edit the membership design right here as well. So anyway, that's the different types of funnels. You'll use each of those for different needs and different purposes, and they serve very different needs in there. So anyway, if you have any questions on this, ask them in the private Facebook group, and I'll be glad to help you however I can. But thank you again for watching the whole video, and I'll see you in the next one.